In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to allow all calls on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, you will need to update your iOS. For that, launch settings. Now click on the option general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, head back. Scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're gonna find this section, screen unknown callers. Disable for this option. After that, look for any call filtering settings and ensure that call filtering is disabled. This will allow calls from all numbers to ring through normally without being automatically filtered or silenced. Once these settings have been adjusted, your iPhone should be able to receive calls from all callers, including numbers that are not saved in your contacts. This can be especially useful if you're expecting important calls from businesses, delivery services, or people calling from new numbers. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.